So next one we can tell about how will you name an angle and how many letters you will use to name an angle. That is the thing. All of you sit straight. All are moving from here and there. Sit straight and be attentive. Manjima, please on your video. Manjima, Jenika, Siddhi. Yes, who is talking? Whose audio not muted? Some disturbances are coming. Please mute. Hyra, please mute your audio. Yes. I want complete silence. Otherwise, I should mute from here. Shall I mute? No. Okay, I don't want to mute anyone because it won't look like a class.
Ma'am, I am having a network issue.
Who is having Siddhi? Siddhi and Janika. Next one. Adidev, please mute your audio. Some hen sound, cock sound, so many sounds are coming. Can you hear the noise? Yes. Not from your house, somebody's house. I don't know whose house. All of them muted. Yes. Next one, what we have to write is how will you name an angle and how many letters you will use to name an angle. That is the next thing we have to do it. How will you name an angle and how many letters you will use to name an angle, and what is meant by the measurement of an angle, and how will you measure, what is the instrument used to measure an angle, and what is the unit of measuring an angle. Okay, these are the things we are going to study now. Next topic we can learn about how will you measure using protractor and what are the properties of protractor. Okay, so now first one we can start about how will you name an angle, how many letters you will use to name an angle, and what are the important names you can give for an angle. Okay, so shall we start now? Yes. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes. Next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
So an angle can be written as, you can give any angle in the name as only one letter. You can use the angle as only one letter, or you can use it as a three-letter word. Okay. So you can write an angle using only one letter, or if you want to make an angle, another line is there, another ray, it will form an angle A, O, B. How many rays are there here, Aditi? I asked two questions. Two rays are there. Can you name the rays, Hyra? Others, please mute. Aditya, why you are unmuting always? Please mute. Yes, Hyra. What are the names of these rays? First. Yes. Nainika.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the names of these rays? Yes, what are the names of these rays? Tell me. Can you tell the names of these rays? What is the vertex here? Three participants raised their hand. Who are the three participants? Tell me your name and tell me the answer. Yes. Rudra. Yes.
Ma'am
Rudra.
Sarah.
Yes. Rudra.
Ma'am Sarah.
Yes. Wait, Sarah. Wait 1 minute. Now Rudra, I asked, let her tell the answer afterwards. Yes. Yes, tell me. Wait, I will give chance. Yes. Rudra. No? She did not say yes.
Ma'am Navani.
Ma'am Sarah. Ma'am Sarah.
Saira. Yes,
Ma'am
Saira.
Sarah.
Yes, please mute.
Ma'am Sarah.
Yes, Saira.
Ma'am Felix.
Yes, wait. Saira.
Ma'am, can you show the picture?
Yes. Yes, Saira, fast. Others, please mute.
A, O and B, O.
Yes, very good. A, O and BO are the names of these two rays. Okay. So, what is the vertex, Riza? What is the vertex here, Riza? Yes, unmute.
O.
O. O is called the vertex. O is called the vertex. Very good. So these two rays will meet at one point. Therefore, O is called the vertex. And how will you name this angle? That is the next important point. You can use only one letter to name this angle. You can use only one letter. What is the name of this angle? You can write it as angle O. Angle O. What is the vertex here? O is the vertex. What
O.
you can write? You know the short form of angle. How will you write it? Angle O. Angle O. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Any doubt?
ma'am.
O, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay, so you can use one letter or you can use three letters to represent an angle. Three letters. How to represent using same angle? You can represent using three letters. That means you can write angle AOB. Angle AOB. So you are reading this angle with one letter or with three letters. Just remember that. Okay. And what is the short form? How will you write the short form? Angle AOB. This is the short form. Instead of writing angle, you can write angle AOB. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No. Or you can write.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just tell me. Wait. 1 minute afterwards. Next one you can write angle BOA. You can write the short form as, yes, ask your doubt now. Yes, tell me. Who is asking?
Ma'am,
Tell your name.
does that is a, ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, does that is a bracket?
Yes, it is a bracket. This is a bracket I wrote. Instead of writing ANGLE, this is a short form, angle O. In maths means all are short forms. Angle O. No need of writing
Okay, ma'am.
spellings. Angle O.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
for angle you are writing, that is why I wrote in bracket angle O. Okay. Instead of writing this, so in how many different ways you will read? In how many different ways you will read? Felix. What is the way of reading? Angle?
Angle A O
Angle
B.
O. Very good. Next one. What is the next one?
Angle A
Oh,
angle A O
angle
AOB.
AOB. Also you can read. In another way,
Angle B O A.
A. Angle BOA. Okay. Adidev, what you can see from this?
Ma'am, Srihari.
What you can see from this in reading an angle? What speciality you can see there? Others, all of you mute. Only Adidev. Yes, Adidev. Yes.
Reading an angle.
No. What speciality you can see in writing an angle? Anyone can say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, tell me. Tell your name.
Ma'am, can I say?
Can I have a doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, Srihari.
Yes, Srihari, you can say now. Yes, Srihari.
Ma'am, can you share the board? You wrote something on the board, right?
Yes.
We should write that.
No, not necessary. No need of writing anything. No, just listen to that. Okay. So
Okay,
what
ma'am.
speciality you can see? Yes, Sarah.
ma'am, we can write the name of the angle with 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, you can write the names of the angle with 1, 2, and 3. You can write it. Yes, you are the beginners. So start with the alphabets. Okay. Yes. What
Ma'am,
special?
we
Yes.
can-
What
Ma'am.
special? Yes.
We can
Ma'am,
also
can I?
Yes, tell
name the
me.
angles
Who is
with-
telling the answer? Who
Ma'am,
is? Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
We can also name the angles with numbers.
Yes, you can name the angle with numbers. That is not my question. I am asking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Can I?
Yes, tell me. Raise your hand. Who is telling now? Tell your name.
Ma'am, Navneet Krishna.
Yes, Navneet, tell me.
The vertex is very common.
Yes, you have to write the vertex at the center. Whatever you are writing the angle, vertex is very important. No, you are not naming the angle with other letters. Angle O. You can write angle 1. So you can write angle 2. You can write angle X according to your wish, small angle. But vertex should be named as only one letter. Then it is mentioned as, you cannot read this angle as, you cannot read this angle as angle B. It is wrong. You cannot read that angle C. It is also wrong because the vertex is O. Is it clear? So where you will write, where you will find the angle, vertex will be named as the name of this angle. Wherever, whatever, how many angles you are giving also, you can, and you can change the letters. You can change the letters from A, O, B, but you cannot write O, B, A. That is wrong. Because O is not, whatever coming at the center, that should be the vertex. That will be the name of this angle. That is wrong. You cannot write like this. Angle B, angle A, B, O. That is wrong because O is the vertex. O should come at the center. A, O, B is correct. You can write B, O, A is correct. Is it clear now? What is the meaning I told? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
can read,
Yes, ma'am.
vertex is very important in naming an angle. With the name of the vertex only it is called an angle. How the vertex is coming? If you are marking it as 1 or 2, you can name it as angle 1. It will come in future. You will get it. Okay. If it is coming at the center, that is called the vertex, and an angle is named only on the basis of vertex. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I
No,
And what
ma'am.
is the short form?
Ma'am, can I ask a doubt?
Yes, you can ask the doubt. Doubts are always welcome. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can we draw angles in any shape?
Angles in any shape means? Yes, this is also an angle. Here also an angle is formed. A, B, C.
So where will be the point?
Which one? This is,
If we are drawing a triangle, then where
yes.
will be the
Then
point?
triangle, there are 3 angles here. So which angle? If you want to mention this angle, you have to write angle BAC. Okay? And if you want to mention, if you want to tell about this angle, you have to write it as ABC.
Can I ask you,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am?
Yes.
We are told that we can show it in any shape, but we can't show it in a circle.
Circle, there is no angle formed.
So,
There is no
Excuse
straight
me,
line.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
so there is only circle is not
Yes, only
Yeah.
circle, it will form an
and
angle.
oval.
Yes, in circle also you can mark different angles if you want.
How will mark?
Ma'am, can I
circle.
ask
Ma'am,
something?
how will mark in a circle?
O, A, B. What is the
Ma'am,
initial?
can
Yes, what is the
I
initial point? Yes. Angle.
ask something?
Yes.
Are we going to learn equations in this year?
Equations, no. For you know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I thought
Ma-
you were
Yes.
teaching us angles and also I thought you
No,
will
no,
teach
no
us
equations.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes, tell
have
me.
a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, when we are forming an angle, there should be 3 edges.
3?
When we are forming an angle, it should only have 3 edges or more than.
More than that we can have.
Okay,
It will
ma'am.
depend upon the figure. If you are drawing one, another angle, one more angle, you can form it. A,
Okay, ma'am.
B, C, D. Now I am
Okay,
just
ma'am.
about the basic because you are starting the angles. If you are going for more, you will get confused. So you can read this angle as
Ma'am,
B.
we can, excuse
Yes,
me,
what is the
ma'am.
vertex here?
Ma'am.
B. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I ask a doubt?
Yes, you can clear your doubts.
We can form an angle by drawing a star.
Star. In star also angles are there. You can name it. Star. If you are drawing the star, angles are formed there. Anywhere. If you are drawing the stars like this, then how it will come? So many stars will be there. So that it will come like this. So different angles, A, B, C, D, E, F. You can give different names for it. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah, yes.
can you draw square and show the vertex?
Square you want to show now? What is meant by square? Yes.
Now, said we
Yes.
can draw a star and
Yes. A, B, C, D is a square.
Ma'am, in this, which is the vertex?
Which is the vertex means, which, if you want to mention about this, it will depend upon which angle you want to mention it. In square, 4 are there. So you can write D, A, B. You can write it as a vertex. C, B, A. This is also you can consider. There is no special vertex. Yes.
Ma'am, if there is only three,
does the star have a vertex?
Yes, star, it will depend upon how you want to call that names. You can have the vertices. You can give the names for that vertex. Okay?
ma'am,
Yes.
if there is 3 letters, we should say one is, there is only one. If we have 4 letters, we can choose anyone, right?
Yes. If there are more than 3 letters, you can specify it. More than 4 letters are there, 4 angles are there, many angles are there. Whichever you want to choose it, you can choose that angle. Okay? That is beyond these classes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Is it clear now? All are clear your doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And how will you represent? Yes. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I want the such type of doubts. Excellent doubts. Okay, very good. Okay, now we are in naming an angle. So if there are more than 2 angles, you can give different names for it. Okay. So now one question I will ask you here. Don't go now. So here, how many angles you can see now, Dia?
3,
Yes, how many angles you can see here?
4,
Is it 4? Where is 4? This is one angle, A, B, C. This is second angle, A, B, D. One more angle is there. What is that, Sarah?
Ma'am, does it is B?
D, B, C. This is the big angle. So there are 3 angles here. One angle, second angle. In that you can give the names 1, 2, 3, etc. because not to get confused.
Ma'am, I didn't understand about that.
About that you did not understand. Okay. This is in for, yes. A, B, C, D. Okay. So here one angle is there. What is the name of this angle? A,
A,
B, C.
B, C.
C.
One angle.
ABCD.
Okay. A, B, C is one angle. Second angle is here also vertex.
A,
A, B,
B,
D.
D.
A, B, D. Second angle. One more big angle is there because here if you are seeing here also it will form an angle up. Forget about this ray. D is here, B is here, C is here. D, B, C. D, B,
Okay,
C.
ma'am.
Is it clear now? So many
Yes,
angles are
ma'am.
there. It will be forming. So we can go for it later. Okay. So did you understand now what I told? How to name an angle? What are the names of this angle? And how many letters you will use? Manav? How many letters you will use to represent an angle? Manav, fast. Yes, others, they will get the chance now. Otherwise, I will give for others. Yes, Janvi? You should be very active. Yes?
1,
1 letter. Very good. 1 letter. Manjima, otherwise, how will you represent an angle?
Ma'am.
Yes? Yes, Manjima, fast.
Yes, ma'am. What is the question?
One representation is based on the vertex. Other representation, how will you write it? 3 letters. You can use Three letters to represent an angle. So yes,
Excuse
Riza.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Riza. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Srihari, who is asking the
Ma'am.
doubt? Yes.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah, tell me first.
Ma'am, if we can name the angles by 2 letters.
2 letters, not necessary. Is it necessary 2 letters?
Okay.
No, only 1 letter. 1 letter and the one
Okay,
vertex.
ma'am.
Otherwise, you will get confused. Don't use many letters.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, for representing, you can use the numbers also. Angle 1, angle 2, angle X, angle like that also you can represent for it. But vertex should be the angle you are reading. Is it clear? Now I will ask some questions. You have to answer it fast. Yes. Now, Ashwil Krishna, how will you read this angle? Fast. 3 different ways of reading this angle. Ashwil. Ashwil Krishna, yes, fast. Unmute fast. Otherwise, I should give chance for others. Yes, how will you read this angle? Yes,
can see the screen.
you cannot see the screen.
Ma'am, Riza.
Yes, Riza.
Ma'am, angle is M.
Angle M. You can write it as first one because M is the vertex. You can write the short form as angle M. Yes,
And LMN.
yes. Angle LMN.
NML.
LMN. Yes. Short form you can write it. In another way,
LMN
angle
and
N M L. What is a short form? You can write like this. Angle N M L. This is the representation for an angle short form. Did you have you studied about this angle short form?
No, ma'am.
Not studied, but
No, ma'am.
it is looking like a
No,
C,
ma'am.
not exactly C. It is looking L little bit bending. So don't write it like C. It is the angle representation. Yes, yes, Adidev.
Ma'am, the short form angle we should write as a small bracket.
No. For you to understand, I wrote in small bracket. If you are
Okay.
now in future, they will not represent angle in letters. They will write angle A, angle B, angle C. Because you are studying for the first time. So instead of that, you can write it. That is why I wrote it as angle in bracket. Is it clear?
Okay.
Instead of writing ANGLE, you can write only like this short form. You can use it. Yes, is it clear? Yes, Maria, ask me your doubt. Very good. Tell me.
Can use angle with five
Yes,
alphabets.
5 alphabets.
Angle.
5 alphabets, 5 letters, because it will come 5 letters. If there are more than 2 angles are there, 5 letters you have to use it. Don't continuously use it. A, C, B, don't use it. Only 1 letter. For one ray, end of the one ray, 1 letter, vertex 1 letter, and the other end 1 letter. 3 letters. Okay. What is it clear your doubts? Okay. So how to represent an angle, how to read an angle, and what is the short form of an angle? Up to what time classes now?
9:50.
10,
10:30.
Yes, I'm now.
9:30.
5 more minutes are there. Okay, very nice to take the classes because you are asking the doubt. Okay. So that is the representation. Now, next one is called, how will you measure, what is the measurement of an angle and how will you measure it? What instrument you are used to measure the angle? Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
But now itself we have a maths class.
Now itself, no.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The-
ma'am. That's 11.
Then we have
That's 11:10 we have another maths class today.
No,
Yeah,
wait.
in 11.
I will see the timetable. Wait. Wait.
Ma'am, after 40 minutes only.
After 40 minutes. 5A, 11:10 to 11:50.
Are you going to write?
10:30 to 11:10. I am not having class. Next one, next period is 11:10 to 11,
Have 11, 10 to
11:50.
maths class.
Yes, one more math class is there. In that class, we can write the notes. And
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so next one. So we are telling about what is meant by the measurement of an angle. If you want to measure the line, you are using the scale, and you can name what is the unit of measurement of length. Unit in measuring the length. Centimeter.
Centimeter,
Please don't
meter,
unmute. Don't repeat with me. Don't repeat with me. Adidev, please mute. Yes. Sarah, please mute. Mute now. If I'm asking questions only, you should answer. Yes. Tanvi, please mute. So next one, you can. Nasnia, are you listening here? Are you attentive? What are you doing? Devarsh, are you attentive here? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are attentive. You are listening here, not turning your attention. Okay. Siddhi, are you attentive? Yes, very good. So that now, next one, what is the unit of measure? Which instrument you will use to measure length? Rian Bijoy. Which instrument you will use to measure length? Manav, why you unmuted now? Yes. To whom I am asking, they are not answering. Isan, which instrument you used to measure length?
Ma'am, ruler.
Ah, yes, ruler. Ruler, or you can use tape for measuring the length. Okay, so instrument used for measuring the length is ruler or tape you are using. Length of the room if you want to find out. Yes, measurement of length. And what is the unit of measuring the length? Glenn, what is the unit of length?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the unit of length?
Unit.
Unit means in which unit you will say?
Centimeters.
Money means you will say in rupees. Length
Yes, ma'am.
means in what unit you will say? Centimeter,
Centimeters,
meter,
meters,
or
kilometers.
kilometer. Big unit means it is in kilometer. Okay. Like that, you can measure the length, the angle using the instrument called protractor you are having in your geometry box. The instrument called protractor, and protractor you
Can
can
I
use
ask one?
to measure the angle. Okay.
Ma'am.
So which, yes, any doubt?
Next class will you, ma'am, 11, 10 there is a class, right? So will you use protractor?
Yes, you keep protractor.
Ma'am, I am in my mother's house, so I don't took
Okay, you just
protractor.
see it. Monday onwards, I need protractor, but okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Monday.
Excuse me,
Monday
ma'am.
How
will
to
go to
measure
my
the angle.
Ma'am, I have the protractor.
Yes, no problem. Those are having, please mute yourself. Yes. Don't unmute always. Until I am asking the question, please don't unmute because it will get disturbed. Srihari, why you unmuted now? So instrument used to measure the angle is the protractor, and the instrument used to, okay, time over. Someone is joining from there. So I will stop here. Bye-bye. Some teachers want to take from house. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.